Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the first we have entry inhibitors. So in the entry inhibitors we have the drug Maravirac or CCR5 inhibitors. Maravirac or CCR5 inhibitors, these will inhibit the CCR5 receptor and thus inhibit attachment and entry of virus. So the use of Maravirac it is used along with other antiretroviral drugs. This Maravirac is also used as a second line drug. So if we see the side effects of Maravirac, the side effects can include upper respiratory tract infections, cough, fever, myalgia. It is also associated with myocardial infarction and hepatotoxicity. Maravirac is the only active drug against CCR5 tropic virus. Thus, this Maravirac is the co-receptor tropism assay should be done in Maravirac, should be performed before starting the drug, always and always, because it is active against this CCR5 tropic virus. We should have to find whether the virus is CCR5, whether the virus has CCR5 or not, right? Because there will be some viruses without CCR5. So first, before starting this drug, we should find out whether the virus has CCR5. So for that we should do co-receptor tropism assay is done. Then we have CCR5 tropic virus. This CCR5 tropic virus is a type of HIV-1 virus. Then if you see, the next important drug is entry or fusion inhibitors. In entry or fusion inhibitors, first we have enfuvirtide. So enfuvirtide, with the help of enfuvirtide, it binds to GP41 of HIV virus and thus inhibits the fusion and inhibits the entry of virus into the host. This enfuvirtide works on a subcutaneous route and it is the only parenteral antiretroviral. If you see the side effect of enfuvirtide, it is given as injection site reaction, insomnia, dizziness, and it is not effective against HIV too, and it is used as a second line. Then we have the next important drug is ibalizumab. Then this ibalizumab is actually a monoclonal antibody against HIV-1. So this ibalizumab will block domain 2 of CD4 cell receptor. It blocks domain 2 of CD4 cell receptor and inhibits viral entry. So in the ibalizumab, if you see, we have GAG gene. This GAG gene is required for maturation. So the drug Beverimat and also Vivacon. Drug Beverimat and Vivacon will inhibit the GAG gene, and these two drugs are under trial agents. Then these two are also mutation inhibitors. Then we have the drug Tecovirimat. Tecovirimat is approved for smallpox. Right? So these are the important points about the some antiviral drugs. In the next class, we will learn about the major group of drugs, which is reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Thank you for watching.